All right, we have a new question for our opinion writing this week. I hope you have your writing journal and a writing pen or a pencil. The question today is, what's your favorite farm animal and why? So I can either say Mrs. Quist likes cows. I like cows, or I could say cows are the best. I think I'm going to do cows are the best. Okay, cows. Maybe you like a different animal, but I like cows, and I'm going to tell you why. Cows are, that's a sight word. Use your little yellow word wall or your giraffe book if you need help spelling it. Cows are the best. I'm out of room, so I'm going to come down here to this next line. Then what goes at the end of a sentence? Period. Cows are the best. I want to tell you why. I like cows because that's that big first grade word. I would just copy it. It's too hard to sound out. Because they make milk. And milk makes ice cream. I know that two E's make the long E sound, so I'm going to put two E's. Cream. So I like cows because they make milk, and milk makes ice cream, and I love, I'm going to put an underline underneath it because I really love it. Love ice cream. Don't you love ice cream? It's such a good summer treat. I'm going to put an exclamation at the end because I love it. Okay, let's read Mrs. Quist's story. Cows are the best. I like cows because they make milk, and milk makes ice cream, and I love ice cream. I really told you my favorite animal and all the reasons why, right? I want you to do the same today. So Mrs. Quist is going to draw my cow. They have a little tail and 4 legs. They have hooves and an oval head. These cute little ears and some horns. A big cow nose. Cute little eyes. And of course, to know it's a cow, you need what? Spots. Right? So here's my cow chilling out in the grass, eating all the grass. Right. I forgot her udder because that's where the milk comes out, right? And then I'm going to draw an arrow because from the cow comes the milk. And draw the big cup. Milk. And then I can draw another arrow, and I can draw what? What comes from the milk? Ice cream. I'm going to put a cherry on the top so it's fancy ice cream. Ice cream. This is the cow. Awesome. And tomorrow I just need to fancy up. And if I want, I can add more detail. I probably will add some more detail on the back. If you turn your page over, there should be more lines. My cousin, he's a dairy farmer. His name is Matt. So I will probably write a couple more details about Matt's dairy farm, his cows, because I go and visit sometimes, so I know how his farm works. But have fun writing. I can't wait to see what your favorite farm animal is. See you later, Super Writers.